Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video at IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Got my big gulp, got my little backpack, and I got a good attitude today. It's a beautiful day here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Temperatures in the 70s and it's, mid-November. You cannot beat that at all. I'm on the hunt for some cool cars and trucks, and one in particular, if you've been watching the video series, it's an AMG, and I just can't find it yet. I really can't. There's that old Mercedes that everybody says I should buy. Remember this one, the blue one, the 250? Yeah, I think to buy it now is almost $9,000, which for that car I think is a little bit much. The car that I'm looking for is also a Mercedes. It's an AMG version of a Mercedes, and it is way less than that. Do you remember this car right here? The unicorn. Yep, the unicorn princess car from Kia. Look at the colors. Look at the paint on this thing. Yep, every color in the spectrum right there on that car. We did that one not too long ago, but I gotta find this car. I gotta find the one I want to park in my garage. So let me get to work, and hopefully we'll find it. Well, as Jed Clampett says, well, doggy, yeah, we found it. Why do I always quote Jed Clampett? I'm old, I know, I understand, but here it is, an old car. This is it, with some obvious suspension problems, but what lies under the hood is why it is so very popular. So let me back out the camera. There it is. Yep, 2005 Mercedes S55 AMG. This is the supercharged version. I had the regular, naturally aspirated version of this car. You get a free Spriter with this one. Look at him go. Okay. Yes, well, we need pop and a battery. Okay. Not a big deal right there. We need a tail light. We need the chrome trim piece. It goes across the back. Maybe it's in the trunk. I don't know. Let me park my bag. And the big gulp that I talk about all the time. There's why I'm here. This is it. I've always wanted one of these. The silver one that I had, remember it had those valve spring issues. Uh-oh. Is this cracked? It may be cracked in the back too. Crack is whack, folks. Look how low it's sitting. Absolutely. Okay, but as far as real damage, these are always missing for some reason, the little covers for your jacking points, and I just don't know if I like these wheels. I've had them on several cars. They clean up nice, but then the inside on the tire bead starts to corrode and it's hard to hold air. We got a crack on the front bumper. But if you look past all of that, it's magnificent. Yes, let's take a look at the inside and see what she's like. Yes, I love the room in these. They are so roomy. Okay, and this looks to be in really good condition. At least the back seat does. Yeah, you get a ton of room in this. Look at this. And the front seat's way back, and I've still got, almost 8 inches of room right there. And this is a really comfortable place to be, and of course you get all of the fancy features. Like a mirror. Okay, let's get in the front seat and see what she's got. This is a beast. Ugh. Yes, very familiar right here. This is always broken. Always. You get the engine start and stop. Okay, that's cool. Let's just kind of see what's going on. You get a, boy, that's shiny. Look at that. I could use that in another car. But we'll put it back right there. I don't see any cracks on the windshield at all. This works. That's good. And of course, the doors on the mirrors are missing, and this is really hard. This kind of corrodes right back in through here, and it's difficult to move back and forth. Just some of the joy of owning a beautiful Mercedes from this era, the W220s. Everybody hates them. I love them just because everybody hates them. They do deserve love. They are good cars. They were a little temperamental, but this thing, oh, here's your paddle shifters right here on the back of the steering wheel. Nice. Okay, let's see what she's got. All right, let me show you the beast right here. This is a two-hander. You have to open these with two hands. And here it is. Look at that. Okay, this one is signed by, who is this? Frank Sievert. Frank built this engine. Look at the supercharger, the intake. Wow, going into there. Yeah, 493 horsepower, I think. Like I want to say 520, 530 torque, I think. Yeah, that alone. Woo, nice. Okay, let's see if she has some oil. She doesn't. It's black. Oh, it's black. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Yeah, there's a little bit of coolant. Uh-oh. Could this be a head gasket issue? Is that why you're here? Because nobody wants to work on a head gasket on an AMG. Ah. Jiminy Christmas. Let's see. That looks okay. Look in there. Tell me what you see. It's just really, really black. It's been in there for a very long time. Very long time. Ow. And of course your suspension. Oh, the bane of every AMG. Yep, the ABC suspension. That could be why it's here, because that's a lot of fun to work on. Is there? They've been adding. You can tell they've been adding stuff to it, and it's full. Oh boy, maybe the car just settled, and it pushed the fluid back into the reservoir right there. Man, I don't know. Nice, 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 nice. This is also a common problem. These things always just pop out, or they break, or they don't work. So you'd have to fix that as well. Well, let's see if we can get in the trunk and see what's in the back and see why this is here. That's something new. Yeah, all right. Well, there is no way to get her started, so we're just gonna have to take a risk. We'll watch the bidding on the car, and if it doesn't go up too much, then we're gonna get it. I've already bid on it once or twice, and we'll just see what it goes for. It's a risk, it's a risk, it's a risk, but I'm a risky kind of guy. All right, so let's move on. Moving on to another luxury brand. Yep, from Mercedes to a Jaguar. And I love the red, I really do love the red. 2016 Jaguar XF, and how they kind of made some changes right through here, make it a little more sporty, a little more evil looking. This is a good looking car. I like it in white. I really do. I don't think I've had many white cars. I need more white cars in my life. They blacked out the the tail lights. There you can see. I don't know why. Who cares if people can see when you're going to stop or not? Who cares? Got one flat tire. We have Goodyear Assurance. We have a little bit of scratching, a little dent right here as well. Good amount of tread on the tires. But that is nice. That is really, really nice. So let's see what the inside looks like. The loss type is collision. I don't see a whole lot of collision damage, just that right there. Unless it ran over something. Okay, white over tan with a weird steering wheel cover. Oh, and a smoke smell. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this smells like, oh, this is cool. That's a great little add-on. Let's push this up. Yeah, that's necessary. Yeah, okay, this is for your race car friends. Look, I gotta flip this up and hit the button. Yeah, okay, I don't think there's no power. She has no power at all. But what a nice place to be. This says miles 76,695. Okay, that's not much at all. Inside is a nice place to be. The inside is in really, really good shape. Absolutely. This is beautiful. Let's pop the hood and see what she's got. We have the Meridian sound system. And I don't know, I just don't know. This cracks me up. This really does. Why? Why does, I don't know. I'm not a kid anymore, so who knows why. Here we go. I'm getting really good at finding these hood. Oh, what was that? Oh, well, what was loose? A lot of spider webs right here. Okay, you got your K&N filter. This car may be, look at that, we've got two, because this is supercharged. Yeah, I just noticed that. Supercharged, so she will get up and go. Nice, nice, nice. RPR, whatever that means, repair. I don't see the damage. If that's it? Really? Right here, and a little scratch right here? I don't know, the tire is kind of going to the right a little bit. That looks like it's going straight, so the tire, like a tie rod or something, could be broken underneath. I don't think it's much more than that. I really don't. Wow. This is beautiful. This is really, really nice. Oh. Under carnage or carriage, whatever it is, undercarriage damage. But this is super clean. Look at that. All right, well, if you're interested in an XF Supercharged, which I am, this could be the car for you. Julie, somebody named Julie, checked her out for one of the insurance companies. This is nice. This is really, really cool. And finally, 2016 Ford F150 in blue over black. Lots of remove. There's a phone number over there. Repair that. Shell damage. Retape. What? Retape. It's stuck on there good. Okay, we had some kind of a badge or something right here. This may have been a government agency. I don't know. Got some damage right there. It scratched. It ran along something. It scratched it up. Tires. These ridiculous, hostile tires right here. They're almost bare. Okay. It's a good looking color though. I do like the color. Look at the gap. So we have a big gap coming down to a not so big gap right there. What's in the back? No snakes or anything. Okay. So she's been used. Absolutely. Nice bed liner though. And you get a cover that's a little warped. She is a little warped. And I don't, ooh, doggy, I don't want to step on this stuff. This is their security system. I don't want to touch those wires, but they're like all over the ground. Look how far the wheel sticks out. Look how bare that one is. Ooh. So she's got damage on both sides. More, way more damage over here. And then once again, some kind of a badge. And they want you to retape this. Why? It's on there good. Got a little bitty antenna. I do like the front of these trucks though. They are nice. They're mean looking trucks. Well, it's broken. We can't even get under there. It's broken. All right, well, let's just look at the inside real quick because that was painful. Yeah, over black. And I like how they glued an iPad right on top for you. Lots of design right there. Nice level in the back though. Okay, we're missing these pieces. I think that's what's in the trunk. Truck bed. This is a working man's truck right here. That's a nice level. And we can brush out things. Look at all the room back here that you get. I need a Ford F-150 in my life. And look at the sunroof. That's huge. That is nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Well, I don't see power at all. And I don't think anything's going to happen when we try to turn the key. Yep, she's dead as a doornail. Okay, so I don't know why I showed you this. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. Anyway, I look good in a big old pickup truck, don't I? Yeah, four-wheel drive. This is what I need. It would tow anything I asked of it. Okay, just lots of damage on the outside. All right, folks, thank you very much for watching these walk-around videos. I appreciate each and every view, and I love the comments. I try to go through and read all of the comments. I try to react to them, and if they're certainly witty, I will respond. So give me your best wit when you are leaving a comment, all right? Have a great day. We're back with another walk-around video very, very soon, and watch for that S55 AMG. Will it appear on the channel? I don't know. It might. It might just appear because I really want it, but it's a huge risk. I mean, it's a giant risk. This is an aftermarket Alpine unit. How cool is that? I just realized that. It goes right into where your regular radio would be. Well, now I like the truck even more. That is really pretty cool. Okay, back to the matter at hand, Mike. Okay, we'll see you soon. Once again, watch for the S55 AMG, and of course, watch for all those other Mercedes that I have and some new cars that are becoming our way. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.